Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Deep Dive Knowledge Talk. Can you please explain the motivation behind developing the novel approach for explainable artificial intelligence, AI?
The motivation behind developing the novel approach for explainable artificial intelligence, XAI, is to make AI explanations more understandable and accessible to people who may not have a technical background in it. XAI acts as a bridge between complex deep learning, DL models, and individuals without expertise in the field. It aims to build trust by providing explanations that are precise and easy to comprehend for domain experts in real-time settings. The novel approach focuses on simplicity and interpretability. It categorizes each XAI methods based on their degree of complexity and dependency on the analyzed ML-AI model. It aims to provide explanations that are clear and straightforward, so that anyone can understand them without needing advanced technical knowledge. This approach recognizes the importance of making AI explanations accessible and user-friendly, enabling a wider audience to engage with AI systems.
How does the novel approach utilize large language models, LLMs, to achieve its goal of making XAI more accessible? Can you explain the role of LLMs in generating audience-specific explanations?
In the novel approach, large language models, LLMs, play a crucial role in making explainable artificial intelligence, DEAR, accessible to a wider audience. The LLMs are custom-built using ChatGPT Builder, a tool specifically designed for developing these models. The key feature of LLMs in this approach is their ability to generate clear and concise explanations of various XAI methods, tailored for different audiences. The LLMs are designed to consider the knowledge level and interests of each audience group, such as business professionals and academics. This means that the explanations generated by the LLMs are adapted to match the specific audience's background and comprehension. To generate audience-specific explanations, the LLMs analyze and assess the audience's knowledge base. They evaluate whether the explanations are coherent and meaningful to the audience, and if they can be employed in their decision-making processes. The LLMs also ensure that the explanations provided offer a rational basis for the decisions made by the model. By utilizing LLMs, the novel approach enhances the accessibility of XAI by bridging the gap between complex AI technologies and their practical applications. This adaptability of LLMs in generating audience-specific explanations makes it easier for non-experts to understand XAI methods and facilitates the decision-making process for end users.
How do the use case studies demonstrate the effectiveness of the novel approach in providing easy-to-understand explanations? Can you provide some examples of the use case studies and their findings?
According to the study, there are several use case studies that demonstrate the effectiveness of the novel approach in providing easy-to-understand explanations. One example is a use case study involving business professionals who have limited technical expertise in AI. The study found that these professionals preferred the novel approach because it provided them with concise and easily digestible summaries of complex AI methods, tailored to their level of understanding and interests. This allowed them to better engage with and comprehend the explanations. Another use case study involved academic researchers who had a deeper technical understanding of AI. The study found that these researchers also showed a preference for the novel approach. However, their preference might be influenced by a critical evaluation of the approach against their advanced understanding of AI processes. Overall, these use case studies demonstrate that the novel approach can effectively provide explanations that are easy to understand for different audience groups, ranging from business professionals to academic researchers.
What are the implications of the findings from the use case studies for the accessibility of explainable artificial intelligence, XAI? How do these findings support the use of large language models, LLMs, in making advanced AI concepts more accessible to a diverse range of users?
The findings from the use case studies on the novel approach's effectiveness in providing easy-to-understand explanations have a positive impact on the accessibility of explainable artificial intelligence, XAI. The use case studies demonstrate that the novel approach is effective in providing easy-to-understand, audience-specific explanations, regardless of the XAI method used. This adaptability improves the accessibility of XAI by bridging the gap between complex AI technologies and the practical applications. In simpler terms, the novel approach helps make advanced AI concepts more accessible to a diverse range of users. It does this by adapting the explanations to match the knowledge level and interests of different audience groups. This means that even people who are not experts in AI can understand and use the explanations provided by the novel approach to make informed decisions. Overall, the findings suggest that the novel approach can make XAI more inclusive and understandable to a broader audience, thus increasing the accessibility of AI technology for everyone.
In conclusion, the novel approach aims to make explainable artificial intelligence, XAI, more accessible by utilizing custom-built large language models, LLMs, to generate clear and concise explanations of various XAI methods. These LLMs are designed to adapt the explanations to match the knowledge level and interests of different audience groups, such as business professionals and academics. The use case studies demonstrate the effectiveness of the novel approach in providing easy-to-understand explanations, regardless of the complexity of the XAI methods used. This adaptability of LLMs in generating audience-specific explanations improves the accessibility of XAI, bridging the gap between complex AI technologies and their practical applications. Overall, the findings highlight the potential of LLMs in making advanced AI concepts more accessible to a diverse range of users, supporting the goal of making XAI understandable for a wider audience.